Good morning, friends. I welcome you to yet another firepower session of your induction Ignite 2020. I'm Professor Arpit Trivedi, your event host and moderator. Let me take you through the process of how we will conduct the webinar today. Our guest will address the batch for 1.5 hours. First 1 hour will be knowledge sharing, and last 30 minutes will be question and answers. Students are encouraged to put their relevant to the topic questions in the chat box. It is now my great pleasure to introduce our notable speaker of the day, Mr. Manish Singh. Sir has an excellent track record in leading people, processes, strategy, and business restructuring. Manish sir is known for delivering organizational goals through the function of HR. An experienced leader in human resource and talent acquisition, sir has exhibited his master skill in manpower identification and improvement, leadership hiring, performance and potential management, developing HR policies and processes. In his current assignment, Manish sir is Head Human Resource and Administration at Hire India. Now, I would request sir to open the session for our students.
Morning, everybody. I've changed the background up now.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So I believe there are 67 live participants out of 102 registered. That's what it shows out here. Okay. So basically, before I start off the discussion, I would like to say this is going to be an informal chat. Okay, about you, about what are the expectations and what is going. And I believe a lot of guys must be a bit worried also. Given the COVID situation and the placements that happened this year, whether MBA is a good career option or not. Okay, so there are certain things. So before I start, one of the students, maybe one of your students, although you're there, I would like to hear from somebody that what exactly are they looking at from this session? In one line, if one of the students can say that. What is the biggest fear or what is the biggest doubt that they have? So can anybody speak up on this?
So students will be putting their thoughts on the chat box, because we do not have the option.
So they cannot speak.
Yeah.
Okay. So can somebody? I think sir can see the chat, right?
Sir,
so can somebody? So you can mention one student that just write on what is the biggest doubt or what is the biggest fear you can say. A fear is something which everybody needs to have. So I look at it as a positive way. But doubt is something which is, I don't look at it properly because doubts will always, create issues for you. So if somebody can just write out what is the biggest fear or doubts that they have as of now.
Sir, what I could read out, students have written about opportunities or so to say the job market post-COVID.
Okay, was the job market pre-COVID good? Because I remember, I'll just tell you one thing. Pre-COVID, there was a time when, I was a bit pissed off with my organization, right? Because I've been here for almost 12 years now. So that keeps happening. You always have a love-hate relationship when you work with an organization. So I was pretty pissed off last year and I thought I'll make a change. Okay. And the 3 months when I was, in the pissed off period, mind is in a different frame. During that period, I never got a single job opportunity. Okay, I never tried, but I just put something on LinkedIn. Okay, I talked to a few of my friends that if there's anything in the market, just let me know. मैं बहुत पक गया हूँ यहाँ पे 10-11 साल हो गए हैं और बहुत पक गया हूँ, and there's always a conflict with the management, right? And when you're there somewhere for almost so many years, you take a lot of things for granted. The management starts taking you for granted and all that stuff. Okay, unfortunately, on those 2-3 months period when I was looking out, you can say passively, not actively. Okay. मेरे पास कोई opportunity नहीं आया, ठीक है, किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं, सबने बोला कि तू जहाँ वहीं ठीक है and all that stuff, whatever the reason is. But in the last 3 months, I have got 4 opportunities. Okay, and all 4 were big opportunities. Okay, right from the aviation sector. Okay, you'll say aviation sector is not doing well, but the cargo sector is doing well. The goods are moving. People are not moving, but goods are moving, right? So in the cargo sector, okay, it was again a similar profile. Okay. Then I got one from an waste management sector. Okay, but I denied all of them, obviously. But then what happens is I did get opportunities. I was also a bit surprised that when people are saying in the market, that we don't have opportunities, or maybe the COVID situation is creating issues for us. What I've understood is, if you work for an unorganized sector, okay, and if your skill sets are not, how do I say, if your skill sets are not up to the mark, not updated, and if you don't have the capability of, trying to moderate your skill sets or upgrade your skill sets, right, and understand the market and understand, what is happening around you. If you're laid back, if you're complacent, okay, like for example, you've come here to the college, and this is something which is favorite. One of my favorite topics also when I tell students in Pune, when you come back to when you've come here to study in Pune, 2 years, for you is like, अरे यार, मुझे MBA में admission मिल गया है. I hope everybody can understand Hindi, sir.
Yes, sir, absolutely. They are good with Hindi and English both.
Sir, I can't see you.
So they are good with English and Hindi both.
एक चेहरा तो रहने दीजिए. पता है क्या? Because sometimes, with these type of webinars, आपको लगता है कि you're talking against a wall. Because nobody responds. There is no, nobody is nodding, or nobody is, even humming or disagreeing. So sometimes after a period now, and it really, it gets on my nerves कि क्या हो रहा है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, is somebody listening? होता है ना. So कम से कम आपको मैं ट्रबल करूँगा.
No, sir, I'm with you, sir. I'm with you.
So what happens is that, normally this is the first time probably, when people are going to do the MBA, they may have this question, that what the job is going to be, or what are the opportunities going to happen, what will happen next year. This is something which, probably for the first time, I believe a lot of students are maybe asking. But let's go back 1 year before. Let's forget about COVID in our lives, okay? When people entered to do the MBA, and obviously I've visited a couple of campuses. I come to IBM as well. There's a different type of air in the beginning. All of you have gotten admissions, you're dressed well with ties and coats and everything, right? And you feel that, once you've entered inside the college, okay, tumhare ko to job milna hai is your birthright, right? But very often I've seen that, it doesn't happen that way, okay? The coming 2 years, people forget the fact that, getting a degree, or getting, a certain knowledge base, or just understanding the basics of what they're trying to do is something, will probably give them a job, but never gives them a career. So for a guy or a girl, I normally use the word guy because I'm from a boys' hostel, okay, throughout my life. So I tend to use guy more often, so girls don't mind it. But for a guy or a girl, what happens is that, if you're career oriented, okay, the focus for you, see, at your level, at the type of education you have, what are the job opportunities do you have? You can start learning coding and become a coder. You can start opening up a shop. You can start doing something else. But you can also open a manufacturing sector, but can you be successful there? Will you get the customers? Is the market open enough? So one thing I would want to tell you guys on the start of this, when we start off this discussion, that we will talk only about developing your careers. Your parents have given you 2 years of life. You've come to a college. It's one of the most disciplined colleges that I've seen. Okay. And they do take care of the students in a lot of manner. So you may not like the discipline, but I think it is required at this stage of a career. Absolutely. Maybe for class 8 or 9, I would have said have fun, okay, enjoy yourself. But at this age, I would say that concentrate on a career. So these 2 years, what I expect is any guy or girl sitting in this room, okay, and listening to me will focus on developing the skill sets. Okay, we'll focus on understanding things. We'll focus on going that extra mile. Okay, for example, I'm an HR guy. Okay, I've studied a lot of things while I was in MBA. Okay, and I've always believed, and since I cannot interact with you guys, so I'll keep telling you what I think and what, probably in the previous lectures, how I've explained to people. So I've always believed that the 2 years of education for me was important. I'll tell you why. Okay, and Arpit sir knows the story, and I tell almost every batch. Guys, I had a 49% in Delhi University, English honors. Okay, now at that point of time, except for IIMs, okay, I passed out in 2003. At that point of time, except for IIMs, no other institution, if I'm talking about so-called, the bigger ones, so-called, okay, we all big, but they're so-called also. So, okay, at that point of time, nobody took a guy who had less than 50% in graduation, okay. Fine, I didn't have a problem. I gave my CAT, I got a 90+ percentile, okay, but nobody called me because CAT doesn't call it, IIMs don't call below 99. Fine. So what do I need to do? So I did my MBA. The reason I went for an MBA from any other college, and your college is far better than where I did it, far, far better. So the reason that, I went for an MBA was not for the degree. Okay, because today nobody even looks at, for information, I have not picked up my, what do you call it, sir? Mark sheet ke baad ek aur wo hota hai na?
Sir, convocation certificate.
Something of that sort. You get a convocation certificate, or you get a certificate. I've never picked it up from my graduation. I've not picked it up from my MBA college, and I don't know why nobody even asks me for it. Okay, I mean, yes, I have a mark sheet to show that I studied somewhere. So important stuff here is that in those 2 years, what I decided was that I have been given an opportunity and I've taken a platform. Okay, this platform will give me a lot of options, to learn, study. You'll get a library, you'll have teachers, you'll have people from outside coming and teaching you. Okay, and you're educated. आपने 15 साल पढ़ाई किया होगा, ठीक है, अभी तक यहाँ पहुंचने के लिए. Class 12 plus graduation is 15 years, right, in India. 15 years may you have learned English, you have learned how to read a book. Okay, you can fend for yourself. You're staying in Pune, so you're buying your food. Okay, you're washing your clothes. You're doing a lot of things probably you've never done before also. So you yourself can be a source of finding that knowledge. So combine all that stuff. I'm not saying you have to be a bookworm, huh? You just be immersed in book always, because they say, right, all play and no work makes all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So I'm not saying you have to be immersed into 100% into just your books. Okay, you have to make a perfect blend of yourself as a person. So you need to study. You need to understand what you need for your career. You need to develop your personality. You need to develop yourself physically. You know, develop yourself mentally. So these 2 years will only decide, okay, whether what is going to happen after 2 years when it comes to the job market. This year is not that we did not pick up people. We did pick up people. Last year also we picked up people from your college. Okay, and we do pick up people. This year I was supposed to pick up a few more people, and I was talking to Arpit sir that because the COVID situation, we got stuck up. We could not travel. Okay, and although I've been moving, I've done a lot of social services. I've gone to a lot of jobris. I've been exposed, but I could not come down to the colleges or to understand and hire a few people. So I do have slots for this year as well. Maybe we'll decide at the end of the year whether we need to pick up more people, because the job, the function of the job has to roll. And when a new guy comes in, we just can't make him, an online training and induction. We're wasting his time, and company wants to save costs at this time, right? But in spite of that, as an organization, I'll tell you, last month we did 87% of our target.
No.
Okay, this month we will do 100% of our target. Okay, there are a lot of things that's happening in the market for us, but I'll not get into details of that. But in spite of that, we're doing it. Okay, we paid every person in my organization, and I had the HR for Hire India, right? So I've got a factory in Pune. I've got one of the largest plants in the country coming up in Noida. Supposed to come up in November, but I think now will come up next year in the first quarter. So that is 123 acres, a big facility. So we've got workers everywhere. My pantry staff, my housekeeping staff, okay, guards. I know all of the names also. Okay, who sits with me in the corporate. So all those guys have been paid 100% salaries. Okay, so we have not compromised on salaries. We have not compromised on benefits. We have, in fact, insured every person, even the off-roll staff, for special COVID policies, insurance policy. So if anybody is getting sick or hospitalized, right, we are if anybody is getting sick or hospitalized, we're covering them as well. So maybe the market is bad. Okay, I would say that we didn't do businesses in the last month we did, the month before that, April and May, we didn't do businesses. We never went down, because we know that nobody did as well, right? We know what is the situation. So important here is that I would want all of you guys to push out from your mind that, whether what is going to happen after 2 years. Okay, after 2 years, whatever is going to happen, you are going to decide it. Nobody else is going to decide it. Apart from you, obviously, your college mentors, and obviously God is always there. Okay, so apart from these two people, I would say God has a plan. Okay, so let's forget him. We can't talk to him. We can't do anything about him. So let's forget God. Okay, your teachers are there. They're available. And it's all about you. Abhi, I can say 74 people alive out of 108 registered. So when I started the session, there were 102. Now we have 108 registered. The 6 people who registered right now were at least supposed to register at 10:30. Ideally, I postponed it to 10:45. So that is what I'm talking about. If you think it is important, if you think you want to talk about it, maybe there are a lot of people out there who have put on the, the voices there. And since we can't see you, you're playing on your phone also. Okay. That is what is going to differentiate you. Okay. Whether you understand something. I would never give a job. See, when I was talking to Arpit sir yesterday that can you give me a guy for my factory HR? Then he said, what is the criteria? I just said only two things. He should be good at his a few skills like Excel skills, okay, and secondly, he should have the right attitude. I don't care whether you're damn good in English or damn bad in English. Okay, you need to communicate well. So which language? But yes, you should understand English better. Try to any flaw that you have, you need to develop it. Remember that. So I'm not saying that you need to be arrogant and say that, hey, I don't know this, so I will live like this. No, it is required you need to develop it. But you need to have the right attitude. And when you have the right attitude, you will know exactly what is right in store for you. Yesterday, I was counseling one of my, teammates. And since you guys are adults, I'll tell you an aspect. She's a young lady, 1 year, fresh and maybe working for 1 year. So she had a problem and she came and said that, sir, I broke up today. Now imagine yesterday I had a very hectic day. Okay, a very, very hectic day. I had my weekly review with the Southeast Asia MD, my CEO, all the HODs were there. I had to prepare for that. I had a meeting with compliance. Okay, I had a lot of meetings, and in the middle of that, she comes and cries and says to me, I broke up. So I had this 5 minutes conversation. I just asked her a few things. I said, do you think it was necessary to get into this as of now? Okay, because we start living our lives based on what people want from us. If I want to live my life based on what I want from me, I would know what is best for me. Okay, I would pick up that book, I would watch that movie, I would play that game. Okay, I would interact with the people. Okay, I would have better relations with my colleagues and classmates. Okay, because I know that I need to develop myself. It is always going to be about you guys and girls. When you come out from here, it is always going to be about you, what you have as a substance, what is the basic knowledges that you have. Now, coming to knowledge. जब हम कॉलेज में पढ़ाते हैं ना, जब आपके टीचर्स पढ़ाते हैं, when your teachers teach you, what happens is, very often when I go there, I do take lectures and classes. So I have asked a group of people, please tell me what you study, do we use it practically? Right? जो हम पढ़ते हैं वो क्या use करते हैं? So what we studied, do we use practically? Now the funny answer is, I'm surprised to see that 80% of the population, I would even say 90% of the population, ये बोलते हैं, they say to me that sir, what we study is not what we do in practical life. Okay, and it surprises me like anything, because then why do we have this course? Okay, why are you investing money here? Just because getting admission and wearing a tag of MBA, you think you're going to get a job? No. What we study, okay, so the example which I'm going to give you to make it clear is that, let's say there is a seed. Okay, एक seed, beej, there's a seed. The seed is spurious. Okay, and I plant that seed. Will the seed grow up into a proper tree? No. Maybe the tree will die off after some time. Maybe it will be distorted. Maybe it will be deformed. Maybe it will not bear fruit. It is possible because the seed itself is spurious. It has a problem, right? Education is that seed. If during your MBA days, you guys do not concentrate on learning things, studying what has been told to you, I use Maslow hierarchy for my engagement model. I have converted 9-box methodology of leadership trade into another model. Okay, it's a long story. I'll tell you guys when you come in HR. Okay, into another model which nobody uses it. Okay, I use Herzberg theory for a lot of things, to explain people. When I have to develop, some process or some policy. Okay, I use my organizational behavior knowledge or my psychological knowledge that I've studied to assess people, understand people. When I interview them, I read their faces. I understand whether he's telling the truth or lie, whether the person is just talking for the sake of talking or whether the person can actually deliver. So we need to do a lot of things in HR, right? Even in sales, you need to understand people. You need to understand the customer base. In service, you need to be able to pacify people, understand people, give service to people. Finance. Finance is a bit lucky because, they always play the number game. But when you have to grow up, you have to play the people game. People is always going to be in life. How much ever you automate, we have everything in Hire. We've got fabulous applications. We use AI. We're working on ML for, trying to do interaction and feedback things. So we do all that in-house. Okay, we are a bit different. So those things are there. But if I don't understand, for example, if I hire you guy for a channel, for sales, You don't understand the type of channels used in a consumer durable industry. You don't understand the difference between an what do you call the BFSI industry. What is the difference in terms of channel? How can I be sure that you can be developed? I don't see a potential then, right? So what you're going to study or what knowledge you're going to pick up, and I'm using the word study, okay, because that is the more common word used. When I mean by study, what I mean is the stuff that you imbibe. The way you develop yourself, the knowledge bases that you create for yourself. This is what I mean by when I say study. Okay, so you need to do that. Based on that, you're not going to join my company and start selling day one. You're not going to come to my company and the first day I'll tell you यार appraisal कर ले, because तुमने जो पढ़ा था और जो करते different है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So yes, मैं बोलता हूँ ये modify होते हैं, improvise होते हैं, situation wise, company policy wise, country का dynamics wise, macro environment क्या है, economic situation क्या है, company का, country का, ठीक है, उसके बेसिस पे हम fundamentals बनाते हैं. हमारा गोल क्या है, हमारा प्रॉफिट टारगेट्स क्या है, हमें करना क्या है, इन सब चीजों पे जब हम सिस्टम्स बनाते हैं तो उसको मॉडिफाई करते हैं. बट जो बेस होता है न्यू इफ you're building as a very weak foundation, you can't make it a 7-story building, right? The maximum cost is invested, or the maximum investment goes in making the foundation, if you guys know that. And since I can't hear you, I believe most of you are nodding. Okay, the maximum mehnat, paisa, so I'll stick to Hindi because English, because I believe a lot of South Indian people also there, and we have had an argument a couple of days before on Hindi and English, so I'll stick to English. Okay, so you have to invest money, time, effort is always invested in the foundation. If you have noticed one thing, when you're making a house, you have seen a house being constructed, making the foundation takes the maximum time. After that, building walls and dividing rooms takes almost half the time than what it took in the foundation. So this is what happens when you're studying. Okay, this is what happens if you guys do not do this. If you guys do not get involved into this, okay, do not hone your skills, do not understand things, you will fail after 4 or 5 years. Everybody has a job, sir and ma'am. Everybody has a job. Everybody gets a job. It depends on what type of job you're getting. Is it a job? Okay, sometimes people measure jobs by money. I know many guys, and even Arpit sir will probably tell you that many guys may have passed out and taken very lucrative offers when it came in terms of money, but somebody behind them may be sitting on a senior position earning more than them today after 5 or 6 years when you analyze. So we sometimes need to know what we need. You will only know what you need when you have the right skill set, when you know your strengths, when you develop your strengths. So coming 2 years, my expectation would be have a lot of interaction, question things. Don't be arrogant and brash, because then I love in talking to you after that. If anybody is arrogant and brash, then we'll meet face to face and we'll know. Then I'll teach you what is arrogance. Okay, because normally what happens is when we come here, half of us come with the factor that चलो MBA कर लेते हैं, किसी को पेरेंट्स का बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लेना क्योंकि बाबूजी का पैसे है, उसका तो है नहीं. And some people have taken loans and are trying to struggle. Some people cool that चलो यार after an MBA I'll get married off. What's the big deal, right? So if you come with this mentality, okay, then I would say that you will always be thinking that what to do later in life. You'll always be driven by people, by your parents, by your cousins, by your friends, and tomorrow by your husbands or by your wives. Okay, your life will never be satisfactory if you again don't find yourself. So this is what we do in 2 years, and this is why we do this course. So coming 2 years, I guarantee you guys one thing, and I'm a recruiter. COVID, no COVID. Okay, and this thing happens once in 100 years, okay, or 200 years, and I don't think we're going to live that long. So COVID or no COVID, the market is going to open next year. Our economy is going to get better. Okay, a lot of investments are going to come, and they're already coming in. So the market. So you should not concentrate on that fact at all. And I don't want to get into this discussion, the pessimistic discussion that what is going to happen to us. Everything good will happen to you if you designate yourself for something good, if you work for something good, and if you enjoy. You want to be a good football star, right? Or you want to play a good, or what do you call? You want to play guitar properly. You have to practice, sir. You have to understand the chords. Okay, that's one thing I have not been able to do. Okay, because I don't have the time. But it pains, when you play the guitar and when you start practicing. Initially, after that, your finger becomes numb. Then you don't feel a thing. You just listen. You just hear the music, and your finger moves. Right? You have to make that effort. You want to paint. You have to pick up that paint. You want to become a good professional. You have to try to be that, and with all humbleness. This stage of life, 2 years, बौद्ध धर्म में भिक्षुक होते हैं. अगर आप जानते हो भिक्षुक,
Bhikshuk, sir.
हाँ भिक्षुक, उनका ना सर हम छीलते हैं, वी शेव ऑफ द हेड्स. Okay, now see, I belong to a lot of places in the country. So one of the places I also belong to, so I belong to Bihar. Okay, then I belong to West Bengal because I have houses both the places. Okay, and I was in Gwalior, so I belong there also. I'm staying in Delhi, my office in Delhi, so I belong there. And now I'm staying in Gurgaon, so I belong here as well. And Pune is my second home because I stay there 3 or 4 months, 3 or 4 days in a year. So I belong everywhere. But coming back to Darjeeling, so out there, what I saw was that my friends, they belong to a very affluent family. Okay, but one of their family members would go and would go to the monastery and join the monastery. Now the first thing that they would do with that guy who was brought up in a very good atmosphere, he's got good car, big cars, good houses, so-called whatever you guys run after, they don't make sense to me, but people run after that. So he has everything, but they shave his head and they send him door to door to ask for alms. जिसको आप भीख बोलते हैं, the beg, right? You know why they do that? Because the first thing that you want to understand as a student is humility. Not chaplusi, not chamchagiri, humility. Okay. Once you can only learn things when you are humble. Asking questions or debating does not mean that you are not humble. Okay. But taking others' point of view, arguing with, listening to others, not demeaning people is what you need to bring in. So try and bring in humility because your listening capability will go up. Sometimes what happens is, we feel that we know a lot of things. Somebody will tell us something that you don't know about it. Okay. And then you start arguing or debating. Let's listen to others as well because they do change the perspective. So one is conversations that you're going to have is going to be very important in these 2 years. We tend not to converse on we do not converse on, proper things or appropriate things for us. We waste a lot of time trying to talk. I don't know. I mean, if you can use the word, I would say shit. We talk something which is not directly, related to our goal. I'm not saying be obsessed. You do have your fun time, and I know what fun is. Okay, so I can beat you at that as well. Okay, so we're not talking, but when you're talking, when you're conversing, debate, have a discussion, have a conversation where you listen to people, you understand what people are supposed to tell you. This is one of the things I don't see. So coming 2 years, what will happen is you guys will go in silos. Okay, आप 3-4 का group बना लेते हो. ठीक है, maybe based on reason, maybe based on lifestyle, maybe based on whatever is common among you guys. Okay, and then you have a habit of not interacting with the people from other groups. You are here from a multi-region. You want to be a good professional, you want to become the head of sales, you are from, let's say, Indore, and you want to be the head of sales of India. You need to understand the culture of South India as well, or North India as well, or East India as well. So this platform also gives you to have the right conversations with people, to understand people and cultures. But many of the time, we start demeaning people. We don't understand. We waste our time into that silos, sitting together, 5 people eating samosa and talking, I don't know what. Okay. Please interact with every person in the group. You may not be everybody's friend, but your colleagues. Okay. If anybody has a problem or if any other college comes and beats up one of your college guys, even if you're not his friend, you'll go and fight back, right? So don't just show that spirit where it is not required to show. Show that spirit inside first. Otherwise, it looks fake. Right? See, I belong to Bihar. So when I came, why I'm saying you this is, when I came to Delhi, okay, so I saw 2 people fighting and they used all the galis that they could probably use, okay. They involved the mothers and sisters in gali, but ladai nahi hui. They did not hit each other. But somebody said somebody Bihari, so the guy slapped him. But then I realized after some point of time, because I've studied, I've been brought up in a hostel from the age of 3.5 years old. So I went to one of the oldest schools in the country. It's almost 130 years old. One of the biggest, one of the most fabulous alumni. When I meet you guys, I'll tell you more about so I've been brought up with Chinese in my school. I've been brought up with Nepalis, Biharis, all Indians. Okay. All different nationalities also. Okay. So for me, nothing shocks. I understand people's culture. So probably as a professional today, when I'm heading, see, the combined manpower that I probably have is around 12,000 people, direct, indirect. Okay. Today, when I'm looking at when I'm trying to take care of them, I have a union in Pune, two unions. I negotiate with them. Okay, I get involved. I have a team, but I also get involved because I like talking to the workers, and I solve the problem. I mean, I negotiate at the end. Everything closes only because I understand their perspective. I understand what is the Marathi culture. I understand what to talk to them. I understand how the lifestyle they live. Okay, probably if I have to talk to a South Indian guy, I understand, what it is there. I don't call every South Indian a Madrasi, because Keralites have their own value, Andhrites have their own value, Tamilians have their own value, right? But we tend to generalize, and that's where we bring in the narrow mind in our lives, because we have never interacted. We were given this 2 years of platform. Conversations are very important. On top, it is not only about the skill sets; it is about the people skills. Whatever you're going to be the CEO, you're going to run your own shop. It is going to be even if you open up a kirana ka dukan, department store, you'll have 2 people working for you. It is always going to be about people skills. Otherwise, they will steal from you or they'll keep leaving. Right? So the second part that I was talking about is that conversation should happen. Okay. One day when I told people that you guys keep telling anything and everybody Biharis, but we run your country, man. 25% of the population of if you look at the IAS or IPS are Biharis. Okay, you look at joint secretary in any ministry, secretary level people, secretaries and IS or an IPS, sorry, normally an IS, they're mainly Biharis, right? I find them every second, third guy, my name is Bihari. So what happened? Because what happens is when we stereotype people, and this, don't take it to heart, this is just an example. What I mean by this is I need to understand others' culture. I can make policies, I can make processes. Today you become the national sales head, and you have always been making fun of people in the South. Let's say you're a North Indian. Okay. Now go and deal with the guy. You can never make a rapport with him because it'll take you a long time to try to understand the culture. So this 2 years gives you that opportunity also. And this is something which I find missing in people. Do not stay in silos. Indore wale bahar niklo, theek hai na? You try to explore, apart from your kya bolte hai wo, poha and all those different delicacies that you have in namkeens. Apart from that, you've been doing that in your life. Try to explore what South Indians eat. Try to explore that paratha. South Indians, apart from eating the sambar and whatever you've been eating, and the tiffin that you've been eating, try to explore, what North Indians eat. Understand the culture, languages. That's why in the college we don't. Otherwise, it is very easy for Arpit sir to go to Pune and pick up everybody. In Pune, all the colleges can only have Pune people. Why do colleges want to mix up people? I mean, I know yesterday when we were talking with sir, I asked him one question that, so where are the guys from in your college? Where are they from? So he said that they're from these reasons, right? So why I emphasized, or why he also understood the question and is smiling also right now. Why he said that is because this is what we want, that conversations, people, culture, you have to know that, okay? One of the other way of doing is by reading books. Okay, but fine, you should read, and I love reading, but I'll come to that reading part later. That conversation should be more sensible, right, people? I can't hear you. If I was in classroom, I would make you stand, but I hope you're getting my point.
Sir,
okay.
Sir.
Okay, that is very important because sometimes we tend. So the first part was forget about what is going to happen about 2 years. Build yourself, develop yourself, work on yourself. Okay, work physically, work mentally. Okay, exercise, play that sport wherever you are. Okay, do things that you wanted to do in life. Develop yourself. Second part is the conversation or the way you spend your time. Is very important. Third is, Third is something that I want to talk about is skill. Now what happens is we need to have and develop the right skills. Okay, I remember when probably even Arpit sir will tell you when we were studying, when we were in school. Okay, we only had to refer to libraries.
Yes.
Okay, today you guys have Google Baba. Okay, and you have a lot of access, communication, information systems are there, right? So I would want you to concentrate on developing certain skill sets. Now, what are those skill sets? I can list out a few. Get into your system skill sets. When I say system skill sets, analytical skill sets. So you need to understand analysis, you need to understand Excel. Okay, you need to be able to play with numbers. Excel is the best way to do it when you're playing with numbers. You need to understand various softwares. Okay, you need to understand the basics of ERP, SAP. Okay, various management systems. If you want to get into HR, understand what are the type of management systems. I'm not saying that you will get the opportunity of running one. Yes, if I come to the organization, I'll try to demonstrate one. Okay, that's what I normally do. Okay, I don't come there for giving you an hour lecture. My lecture goes for 8 hours. Okay, but then we look at a particular skill set and developing, right? So probably we'll demonstrate. But in the meantime, get the conceptual knowledge. When you have the conceptual knowledge, and when practicality comes in front of you, right? Then you recognize it faster and you pick it up faster. So please try to develop skill sets. Find those things that is happening around you in your area of profession that you want to choose. Okay, you need to understand what is happening. Okay, like for example, my team is working on an ML machine learning system. Okay, based on feedback. So all you need to do is type your. Just for example, ये session खत्म हो गया. So Arpit sir, मैं बोलूँगा मेरे session को अपना एक बार feedback दे दो. So he has to mark into a sheet. Communication was clear, message was clear, speed of speech is fast. That is a problem I have. Okay, but this was clear, that was clear. So he has to mark that. No, but actually what happens is his feedback is not very genuine for me, because he's doing a this thing, what do you call, a very objectified feedback. But I need objective feedback at the end of the day. I cannot have a subjective feedback. So how to change subjective feedback into objective? So what he can do is he can just write that the lecture was really nice and people liked it, or you were talking too much, okay, and whatever, we did not like this. So there's a feeling that is written, right? And when the ML system will convert it into my slots, that okay, how empathetical was I, how to the point was I talking, how much sense did I made, because it reads that. Like Facebook also, when you have that, when you wish people happy birthday, and then you have a lot of things coming up and flying, that's all through machine learning. So it talks about emotions when you wish or write a particular thing, like you said happy birthday, then you'll not have a angry emoji coming up, right? You'll have some balloons coming up, something coming up. So the machine reads that and learns that, right? So machine learning can be used. So for HR people, marketing system, marketing intelligence, how are you going to gather? So there are a lot of things that is happening. And see, no college, not even IIMs will teach you all that. Okay, they will only teach you all that when you discuss with them all that. Okay, because you need to have curriculum. Everybody has a standard curriculum. Okay, the colleges have to adhere to what do you call, to the university norms, to the ICT norms, and all that stuff. Now what happens is they try to stick to that. Okay, but they are always, I've always seen college, even IBM, if I have to demonstrate something, talk about something, people do that. Okay, because that is what is giving them a job. Passing a paper is secondary, man. Important is understand it, right?
Correct.
You get, I do not care what your grades are, and I'm talking about higher or myself wherever I work, but I'm not talking about any other organization. Make sure. So try to get your grades. But I don't have a problem for grades. I have a problem with not understanding, with the potential, with the attitude. Okay, so those things are very important. So please try to develop your skill sets. These things are very important. Now I talked about three things. Okay, what is going to happen? Develop yourself. Okay, have more conversations. Have develop skill sets. Now I'll intertwine them with something called will. There was a lecture I had a few years ago in a college in Chandigarh. So I had mentioned this. The right person and the most successful person are those people who combine themselves with the with the skills and attitude, with the will. It is always important to have a strong will.
Absolutely.
Okay, since you're adults, I'll tell you, I decided, see, I become fat. Okay, so during the COVID time, I had a lot of checklists that I will do this, I will do this. I've achieved everything. Okay, I painted 13 canvases, I painted 30 bottles. Okay, I distributed them 13 canvases. I'll paint a few more. Okay, I tried to learn the guitar, but then I didn't get time. It's difficult. It's not easy. So I'm still practicing that. Okay, I cleaned up my house. I settled my things. Okay, I sorted my folders and files. Okay, I counseled the team. I did all the whatever checklist. But what I could not do was, put my weight down, my stomach down. I don't want to be thin, so I don't want my weight down. I want my stomach to be down. So I decided that for 21 days, I'm out of, non-veg food or any type of an alcohol or anything of that sort, right? No parties, nothing of that sort, just concentrate on eating right and working out in the morning. So I get up at around 6:30 and start working out. Okay, I take a help of a trainer, thankfully. Okay, but what happens is that, that is important. So yesterday, when we got late in the office, people were having a party and they told me, let's enjoy and have. I stood with them for an hour, but I didn't touch anything. Okay, now I'm not saying I did a great thing, okay, and the example is absurd, okay, but I think you're adults and you understand that, because this is what I want you to also control. You're going to think that, partying or enjoying yourself is going to be a life. It is not. It can only give you will have your moments. You need to decide when. हमने देखा है, I've seen many often in Pune, people think that Pune is a very great place. So, अब मस्ती खोरी करते हैं, स्कूटी खरीद लेते हैं, बाइक खरीद लेते हैं. हंसी इस बात की आती है कि आपकी तो औकात होती नहीं, आप तो अपने पेरेंट्स से लेते हो. ठीक है, तो आपको तो अपनी औकात बनानी थी, तो पहले औकात बनाओ. So please make yourself strong for it. Okay, so concentrate on that stuff. So you will, everywhere you will only fail if you're not willed. You have to have very strong will. Your mental level status should be very strong. So think what is good for yourself. See, do not try to measure everything on the right and wrong ka tarazu because everything is reference to context. Something that suits you may not suit other guys. Like for example, कोई रात को 3 बजे तक पढ़ता है, कोई 3 बजे उठ के पढ़ता है. Right? If somebody wants to exercise at 4 o'clock in the morning, somebody wants to do it at 11 o'clock in the night. It's your wish. Okay? We have to judge what is right for you, but important is वो पढ़ना जरूरी था और exercise करना जरूरी था. ठीक है? So how you fit into a scheme of things. Secondly, क्या होता है कि हम पढ़ाई को या अपने career goals को और चीजों को for this 2 years, what we study, sorry, our education, our career goals, for this 2 years, we try to fit it. We try to adjust it. I'm telling you, I've seen I'm guaranteeing you out of this 110 now, registered people, okay, I'm guaranteeing you 60 of them or 50% of them, and prove me wrong, I'll be happy. Okay, 50 to 60% of the people will be doing this. They will be trying to put their study among other priorities. जबकि हमें बाकी चीजों को अपने इस प्रायोरिटी के इर्द गिर्द रखना है. So we have to keep our other priorities around this priority. That is ourself and our self-development and education. Right? That is important. So try to, but this can only happen when you have a strong will. So make mental note. Understand. If you guys want tips on how to do that, that's a different session. Okay, sometime else, or Arpit sir, whenever he wants, I can talk to a few. But that will be I'll talk to smaller groups, right? That how to try to make a will very strong. How do we slot people? See, I don't want you to miss out on fun. So I'll be lying, or I will not be practicing what I preach when I say don't have fun. Have fun. When to have it and what is fun is also important. Okay, what is fun is also important. Okay, how you behave, how you carry yourself, those things are going to be important. There are people in my organization or many organizations wherein कभी-कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ये आदमी बना कैसे सीनियर, इसको किसने बिठा दिया यहाँ पे, राइट? और मैं बताता हूँ ऐसे लोगों का करियर शॉर्ट लिव्ड ही होता है, 2-3 साल तो मिल जाता है बट दे कैन नॉट सस्टेन इट. सो अनदर पार्ट आई एम कमिंग अबाउट सस्टेनेबिलिटी. जो भी चीज आप लाइफ में करोगे वो सस्टेनेबल होना चाहिए. अब when we guys after passing out, when people are looking for job, will never have a career. People looking at career will always be better. And if you're working these 2 years to try to sustain yourself in your life, because after getting a job, what you need to grow, you need money, you need to buy your house, you need to buy whatever you need to do, you need to take care of your children. There are many things that you're supposed to do, right? So you need to sustain and grow. You get a position, you need to sustain, then grow. Sustain, grow. Sustain, grow. Because every day you're not going to get promoted, right? So every year you have to prove yourself 1 year at least, the fastest. Then grow to the next level, right? So sustainability is very important. So whatever you study, whatever you do, whatever actions are here, that is going to decide whether you're going to sustain yourself or not in the long run. I've seen a guy, so I'll give an example of a guy I picked up from ISBNM. He joined me within 6 months. I asked him to look after a very important department called OD. 2.5 years down the line, he said, "Sir, I want to leave." So I said, "Why?" Because my team talks to me. They take my permission and go for interviews. They take a leave and go for interviews. They discuss with me. So I said, "Why?" I knew he had given an interview with JK Tires. So I was paying him somewhere around 8.5 lakhs. Okay. No, he was earning around 10 lakhs combined incentive and everything after 2.5 years. Because once you come in, entry level is low. But if you prove you earn, right? He left from 10 to 15 and he only had 2.5 years of experience. He's working for JK Tires. Okay, you can find his name on LinkedIn, Karan Sood. And he's sitting and he must have grown because this story is also 2.5 years back. Okay, so the best part was that he learned the sustainability part, that perseverance. You have to persevere. You have to work towards it. Anything. You want to become a good football star. You want to play your matches well. Okay, you want to be a good musician. I'm talking about hobbies, huh? Because they're hobbies as of now because you want to be professional, so they're hobbies as of now. But you want to be good at something, you need to practice. You need to stick at it. मेहनत करना पड़ता है. Perseverance बोलते हैं, right? And then only can you sustain yourself. Otherwise, you lose your skills. You lose your aura. You lose your, what you call your capabilities. They start weakening because you'll not be able to pick up new capabilities. So sustainability will also teach you. Sustainability में एक important चीज the improvisation. You'll also learn how to improvise yourself. So while you're studying something today, tomorrow what next? What next? What next? So keep upgrading yourself. When you upgrade yourself, just a minute. I'm sorry, just a minute. मुझे बाहर
As you are listening to Sir, there is a lot of input that he is giving you, very practical input. He is somebody like you and me, maybe not scored great grades, must have not been from the Ivy League universities, but the willingness, the gumption, the truth behind him, the twinkle in his eyes, the honesty that he exhibits. This is what we at IIEBM desire from you. This is what we want you to be. Be honest to yourself. The moment you become honest to yourself, you become honest to your environment. The moment you're honest to your environment, you're honest to the change. And the change will only come with this moment in life. Why we bring such kind of dignitaries to you is to make you realize, to understand the point of view that why they have become what they have become. A couple of students also tell me that, sir, a lot of things which we listen are repetitive in nature. That is what is the most important point. There is a pattern. You need to follow that pattern. If you follow that pattern, you will understand how people get successful, how people get bigger positions in life, because there is a set pattern. Everything is well defined. A lot of people, a lot of good, eminent speakers and industry people have talked about it, written about it. If you can't read books of present day management gurus, read scriptures. Everything is written there. Everything comes out of there. We all come from that fabric. And the speakers that we are trying to bring into you, children, please realize it is not an easy task. We put our heart and soul. We try to do anything and everything possible to make sure that such kind of speakers come, talk to you, and they talk to you with their utmost sincerity. They deliver their 120%. I need your 100%. At IIEBM, I promise you, I assure you, you walk 10 steps, I will walk 15 steps. But you have to walk 10 steps. And that is the only desire with which we can grow. You can grow. All of us can reach to a epitome where we are always regarded as one of the finest institutions in the country. You see the alumni, how they are operating, their name, the fame that they have earned. It is only because of the hard work. We have only 2 years in your life. We will play only 2 years in your life. But these 2 years, we will try to give everything that we have. How? Whether it is online, some is offline, some is online, some is direct, some is indirect, doesn't matter. What matters the most is, are we open? Are we willing? Are our antennas on to imbibe? If they are on, it doesn't matter where we are. Right now, the objective is safety. Safety is important. Health is important. We are considering that. We are keeping that in mind and moving forward. Your support will make us strong. And when we are strong, we will deliver with utmost sincerity what we have been doing for years altogether. Stay tuned with us. Sir will be right back with us. Sir, unmute yourself. Sir, unmute.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Actually, somebody was supposed to come at around 12:15, but he landed a bit early, so I just made him sit. So we have another half an hour. Oh, I've done almost an hour. That's good. Okay. The other part, I'm just putting some pointers, and maybe when I come again or any other session, I'll elaborate on each point separately on a shorter sessions. The other part is sincerity. You know what? See, I'll tell you a bit of my history. Okay. I was educated, and I'll go slow this time because it's important for you to understand. I was educated in a college, in one of India's best schools, in Darjeeling, in a hostel. Okay, and I had done well then. Made some mistakes in graduation. Went to an MBA college. Okay, they have shut down the MBA also now there. Okay, so went to that college, got my education. I would say not degree. I would always say education because degree is just a end result. Most of us actually worry about what is going to happen. What is going to happen? Arey kuch karo, tabhi kuch hoga. If you do something, then only something is going to happen. But we keep debating and discussing on what is going to happen, how the economy is going to move, how the country is going to be better, how this is going to happen, how that is going to happen. Why are you worried about the end result? Just make it that effort, right? So coming back, the cultures that I've been brought up in. Okay, I started doing job. When I took a job, I threw a very good job and took up a very low paying job because I got the chance to settle things. I did a lot of freelancing in my initial years, joined, hired. So 2006, now I think it's going to be 14 years. Okay, I'm heading Hired's HR for almost 8 years. 15th August, I'll complete 8 years of heading this HR. Okay, I was given the head of strategy position when I probably had around 5 years of experience, 2011, 6 and 5, yeah. For 5 years of experience, I developed company systems, operation systems, financial planning analysis systems, expense management system, logistics systems, sales systems. I developed that, and I had a short break with Hired because of some personal reasons. Okay, but 9 months back, I was back in the company as the head of HR. Okay, now one of the things when I came back, I probably had 2012, so 6 years of experience, and I was given to head the HR of a company which is global number 1. In India, we're very small then. Okay, today we're at number 5. Okay, what happened at the point of time was all the senior people, used to try and teach me how to do my job because everybody knew, everybody had 15, 20 years of experience. They had more exposure to the industry. And I was a rookie. Hardly had worked with many companies, but I stuck to a few things. Okay, and I'll tell you what are they important. One is straightforwardness and honesty. There is no politics in my organization because HR people always face politics, but I always keep it straight. I'm pretty blunt. You may not like me for a second if I tell you the truth. But tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have to make peace with it. I know that very well. Okay, you have to be very sincere. One of the first thing that I got, in the first 2 years when I was handling, people were saying HR is not doing too well because I was learning and I was trying to develop things. Okay, then the management used to always tell me one thing, that all said and done, Manish is sincere. So at that point of time, HR department was not HR department, it was Manish. It was me. Okay. But my goal was to make HR department respectable. Do you know, guys, do you know one thing? I have 43 branch offices, 44 branch offices, 37 warehouses, okay, 24 direct service centers, but my HR team is centralized. I'm the only company in this industry who has a centralized HR operating from the corporate office in Delhi. We don't have regional team, we don't have any branch team, and we have a very lean team. I have a team of 18 people handling HR and admin. I handle HR, admin, and safety. I have 3 departments with me. Okay, so I have only 18 people handling this from the corporate. Factory, I have a different team. Factories, I'll always have a different team because I need local, people there, IR people there. So we have been doing that. So one of the things that my goal was to make this department famous. So today, if you talk about HR department, we have the lowest attrition in the industry. Mera attrition 28% tha. I had 28% attrition when I joined, and today it is around 11%. Industry is 18% average. Okay. In COVID, obviously people are not leaving, but I'm talking about when we were doing at peak. We have got the most unique systems. Okay. So one of the things that I got was sincerity. Try to be sincere. The problem with us is we lie with ourselves. Okay. We get easily moved by, something which is not mine. Okay. We want to live others' life. Who cares, man? It's you. You want to copy somebody else, you want to follow somebody else's life, you're always going to be a second-rate citizen in your own country, in your own subject, in your own field, in your own department. You always have to create learning is different. There's a difference between learning and owning it. So bring in a lot of sincerity. Okay, learn the processes. Let's say if I teach you something that ye kaam aise hota hai, तो learn it in such a manner that when you tell somebody about it, उसको लगता है कि you know it, not that somebody has told you about it. And this is what normally happens when I interview people. They talk to me all those crap, and it sounds like पढ़ पुढ़ के आ गया है. It has to come from inside. Any discussions that you do, so that sincerity is the keyword here. If you're not sincere, if you're not, see, you know yourself very well. You may have to fake it. You may have to try to act a bit different than what you are. Okay. But at the end of the day, you know yourself. And I'll tell you one thing, if you are yourself, yes, you have flaws. You may have some skill gaps. You may have some attitudinal gaps. You may have some gaps. There are gaps. Okay. So try to develop them, but be yourself and be sincere. If you're not sincere, it is going to be difficult for you. Do you think Ratan Tata is not sincere? Do you think Azim Premji is not sincere? Do you think Narayan Murthy is not sincere? Narayan Murthy used to travel in a Maruti 800, probably till the time he got retired. But I think, if you meet him, you'll take his autograph. You run after people like, Salman Khan and God knows what not for autographs. They're just actors. They're as good as you and me. The real heroes are these people that I'm talking about. The armed forces people. Most of your parents belong there, I think. Quite a few of your parents come from that background. Okay.
Correct.
Because that is where they do it sincerely. That they have the real actions. They walk their talk. Okay. Commitments are very important. So when you make them, please keep them to yourself first. A person who cannot keep his own commitment cannot do anything in this world. Okay. You say, I will give this assignment today. Now this today ends at 12 o'clock in the night. In the evening, you wanted to attend a birthday party. I never say don't attend it. I will never say that. Probably I'll join you for that party. But sir, ma'am, come back home, finish it off. Meet your deadlines. If you cannot meet your deadlines, communicate in advance, but don't revise it too often. Okay, because sometimes some things go beyond our reach. We understand that. But if you're honest and truthful and sincere, you are definitely going to communicate that in advance. कि अर्पित sir, ये issue है. या मैं वहां जाना चाहता हूं, so can I give this tomorrow? He will know that yes, you're talking generally, you're not lying, right? Then he will say, ठीक है, but make sure you give it tomorrow. Okay, and that's just about it. But what we try to do is we come and give excuses because we're not genuine, we're not sincere, we're just covering up. We're fools living in a fool's paradise. We think, what? A very funny example. There's a college, I'll not name it, and this is around 5 years before, I was doing a lecture like this and I had around 100 people in the group. Okay, so I normally divide people in the group because I want to interact. Unfortunately, webinar. Okay, so coming back to this, I divided a group of people. So one of the group, a guy comes up and, I told him, why did you do an MBA and what do you think you can get out of MBA? You know what he tells me? So that I can make fool out of other people and sell or, and achieve in life. Then I told him, you're the biggest fool. आप लोगों को गधा समझते हो, आप क्या हो फिर? Right? Because people around you, living around you, are human beings. They also have a cognitive ability. They can think. They have a mind. Right? So if you're thinking they are fools, then you're a fool because you're living with them. Right? There's basic logic. So let's not get into all these stupidities. I like I said, I don't believe in rights and wrongs, but I do believe in reference to context, situation-based stuff. So we live in a society, we live in a culture, we live with different people. Okay, we live with different tastes and likes and dislikes, and you cannot run the life based on you. You can be a politician's son, okay, but your fame is always short-lived. Okay, you can be a actor's son, then obviously you'll always be his son. So there are many things that we always face. Abhishek Bachchan has his own talent, but everybody knows him because of Amitabh Bachchan. I sometimes worry here. Thankfully, I'm not Amitabh Bachchan's son, क्योंकि मेरी तो अस्तित्व ही नहीं होती जिंदगी में. I would not have my own standing. Everybody who's been successful has their own standing because they've been sincere to themselves, to their goals. Okay, they have been straightforward and honest about it. So one of the things that I would want to build this coming 2 years is sincerity. Because when you give that interview of yours, you will sound genuine. You will sound what you wanted to sound, right? I'll tell you one thing. Last year, what happened was, we have a union. The union ke saath, with the union, we trade. We do a negotiation, right? For the wages and benefits and a lot of things. So we were having this meeting. So my factory team was doing it. So they had around 8 sessions. So the session goes for 12, 14 hours. And the workers have a lot of demand, which is practical and impractical, right? And it was getting at a deadlock. You know how long did I take to close that? There were 2 unions. I landed in Pune at around 10 o'clock. I started the negotiation at 10:30. By 10:30 in the night, I had signed off both the unions. Okay, with 1 hour lunch break. Okay, now imagine if I did that. You know why I could do that? Because the workers know that when I talk to them about their lifestyle, I understand it. When I talk to them about, when I'm telling about the benefit, I understand. When I tell them that there's a problem with cost and this is the best I can do, they understand it. Because they know I'm not cheating them or I'm not acting on the behest of the management. They know I must have already fought with the management on their behalf, or I will fight with the management. So when I say, okay, this demand I will discuss with the management and come back to you, then they believe me. So they don't negotiate or discuss on that. If I say this demand will be given, they will not ask again because they know that this guy said it, he will do it. One of the values, guys, which I have been higher, and one of the key factors of my, sticking around for so many years. Okay, now I also have that 14 years and 13 years and 15 years to talk about, but I didn't have it a few 8-9 years before. But why I stuck around is, if you ask people about me as a human being, and see, it may sound like I'm trying to talk good about myself, but this is something which I've heard people say. They will tell you one more thing apart from sincerity. You know what? This guy walks his talk. लोग मेरे साथ नाटक करते हैं हंसी मजाक में ड्यूरिंग अ ब्रेक टाइम और नॉर्मल टाइम ड्यूरिंग लंच टाइम दे विल टेल मी अरे यार इसका ना तुम प्रमोशन देख लेगा एक बार दे वांट मी टू से हाँ ठीक है देखता हूं बिकॉज़ द मोमेंट आई से दैट दे नो ये करेगा ही करेगा okay so I will say okay let me look at the policy I have to check with the team I have to need to understand अरे तू एक बार बोल देना कि तू देख लेगा यार हाँ तो बोल दे please let me know ना मतलब you see you look into it you will do it because if I look into it means I'll do it. They have got my words. But if I still have to get back, I have to check the data, then they know that he's not committing. So if you have that value, I think people are going to trust you and believe you, right? Why do you like Microsoft? Why do you like Bill Gates? Why do you talk about Steve Jobs? I mean, the big names. Okay, we can be like them someday or the other. If not me, at least you guys can be like them. You still have age behind you. Okay, I still have that also, but lesser than you. Okay, so coming back to this. Why? You notice all the world leaders, all the good leaders have that genuinity with them. And I'm not talking about politicians. Politics is a different subject. I'm talking about business people because that is what we want to be. Right? So I hope everybody is getting what I'm trying to say here. Sir, am I clear?
Sir, yes, of course.
So I would want, when the session gets over, I would want you to randomly talk to a few people and understand whether I made sense. Because this is something I would want to build. See, we are not scared of anybody. See, muscles cannot scare us. Okay, scare us. People talking shit cannot scare us because there's a saying, stick and stones can break my bones, but words will not. So people will talk around us. People will try to, put us down. There may be some of you guys who can't speak very fluent English. So somebody may try to mimic you. Forget it. Learn to communicate better. Okay. Answer those questions better. Make your intelligence better. Okay, that's just about it. Somebody may have a very funny accent. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you know what your strengths are, and obviously try to make that English better. You have 2 years to do it. So don't let people affect you. But that will only happen when you have sincerity. When you're superficial. No, superficial matlab you don't have depth. You're just living life on that upar ka level, right? When you're superficial, everything will affect you. Because you are not yourself. You're somebody else. You want to copy somebody else. You want to emulate somebody else. So visual life bhi kya hai? What do you guys think that sometimes when I have to give a presentation to the team in the office, sometimes I have the butterfly. I can talk to 400 people, 500 people, but sometimes in my office, I get very funny. You know why? Because I know what I'm going to talk about is superficial, and I don't believe in it. So then I don't feel comfortable of giving the presentation. Sometimes I stammer also, and people down the line also understand कि आज ना ये ऐसे बोल रहा है इसलिए ना he's not comfortable. So it's okay. But at least me trying to be genuine, not trying, being it, making that effort of being genuine helps people understand me. So even if I make a mistake, they will understand me. If I own up to my mistake, they will understand me. If I have a gap, they will support me. But if I try to cover myself and try to portray myself with something that I'm not, then people will criticize me, people will sideline me, people will call me out. And somebody today may be successful 2 years, 3 years. By the time you reach where you want to reach, somebody will call you out in the middle. So it's not going to work at the end of the day. So maintain that genuinity. Okay. Maintain this thing. Maintain your character. Okay. Maintain what you want to be. Okay. And the college that you have come in, okay, I do come and teach. I'm telling you guys. Okay. And Arpit sir will tell you, I can go until 2 o'clock in the night. It depends on your energy. Okay. And we do place people. But one of the reasons why I come there, or I like coming there, is yes, your size is appropriate. Okay, the college is trying to have adequate number of people so that they can concentrate. And secondly is the discipline. I like to break rules, okay, because there is discipline and I'm following them. So sometimes I enjoy it. You know, it gives me a thrill. But if there is no discipline, then what is there in life? Then everything is fake, right? I mean, क्या rule break करोगे? तो कभी-कभी see, you guys are going to break rules sometimes and now and then. Don't break them badly and don't make big troubles. But you have to live in the discipline. Then you'll have thrill of doing that, right? So they teach you discipline. You have your freedom also. That is something important. So don't get into, see, there are a lot of colleges in Pune that I know about, okay? I'll not name a college. There's a college, wherein there is no demarcation between boys and girls hostel. That's a very funny example I'm giving. So, Adbi sir knows, udhar hai, kya bolte, Mulshi ke taraf hai, aap jante ho, doctor, now you know who I'm talking about. So, unke college mein main jata hu, so people, but I'm going to come to good thing. I'm not criticizing them. उस कॉलेज में क्या होता है कि हॉस्टल और कभी कोई डिमार्केशन नहीं है, ठीक है ना, क्लासेस में मतलब कुछ भी चल रहा है, ठीक है, लेट्स से फैकल्टी लाइक अस, इफ यू कम टू टीच, देन आपके कॉलेज में इफ आई हैव टू टेक अ ब्रेक, आई नीड टू वॉक आउटसाइड द कॉलेज टू डू इट. उनके कॉलेज में तो कॉरिडोर में भी हर जगह यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक, ऐसा वो कॉलेज है, ठीक है. बट when I talk to the people and I've talked to students there, okay, and I've made them realize and they've realized it and they told me, sir, ये तो शुरू में बहुत अच्छा लगा था हमें कि बहुत फ्रीडम, बहुत लाइफ है, लेकिन जिंदगी तो खराब हो जाती है हमारी. And 2 years down the line, I've hired people from there. 2 years down the line, they work so hard because they know that what they missed, they have to cover up. So let's be smart, guys. Let's cover it up today while you have time to cover up. Okay? You may think you're missing out something. You think I miss out in life? I work 14 hours a day. I've been to more than 12 countries. I can afford to do it. Okay? I travel every Friday. Now COVID is there, but any Friday I feel like I want to walk off. I walk off with my friends. I call up home and say I'm going out, and I go to the Himalayas and spend my time for an hour under a tree or in a resort, just lying down there and looking at the mountains. Okay, I can afford to do that. Is because my mental peace is clear. My job is sorted. My work is sorted. My life sorted. It is not 100%, but yeah, we have problems. But the best part is that at least I'm clear. Okay, so I can live with it. So will you be able to live with it? So can you live a life? Do you want to live a life where you want to live with it? Yes, I'm fine, and this is how it is going to happen. Okay, then please make yourself, learn these aspects of it. This is something which I want to emphasize again and again. We sometimes feel that, we sometimes, very easily, that's where will comes in. We sometimes very easily give in to things which may seem, they're not important, but they may just seem important because you want to play that brotherhood game. हम हॉस्टल वाले हैं, एक साथ रहते हैं, एक दूसरे को बैकअप करेंगे. Then why can't the brotherhood also talk sensible? मैंने क्या बार देखता है कि brotherhood या sisterhood जो हम बना के चलते हैं ना, these things are normally is for fun only. I'm not saying I've not seen, but I've rarely seen, that people form groups who could debate and to fight around. Or in your college, people are forming a boxing club. हालांकि IIBM का extracurricular activities बहुत सारा है, and they do it, right? But you need to also push it. You need to play that badminton game. You need to play that boxing game. The college will provide if you guys are interested.
Absolutely.
Okay, the college will support if you guys are interested. If not, tell me, I will tell them. They listen to me sometimes. Okay. So coming back to this,
you always, sir.
So coming back to this, no, I want these guys to understand.
Sir.
We build something for ourselves. एक होता है दम होना चाहिए. You getting my point? That see, when you walk in, see, I'll tell you what. आपके कॉलेज में भी कई सारे कॉलेज में कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स who are too full of themselves, they don't understand, they probably just listen to what I'm saying but they don't understand it. तो उनको लगता है ना कि मैं ना, because I tell my story, right, and I think I cannot tell anybody else's story. My story, I have more conviction and I faced it, right? So they feel that अरे ये तो दिखा रहा है, ये ऐसे ऐसे बातें बोल रहा है, शो ऑफ कर रहा है, ये lucky था. Sir, I was not lucky. You don't know my life. Okay, most of you, sir knows a lot, but most of you guys, all of you guys don't know my life, don't know what I've been through in my life. Okay, so it may be easy for you that I'm sitting here, but I've put in every effort, every day. Do you know, in my first job, when I used to freelance for some money, I used to get up at 12 o'clock in the night or 2 o'clock in the night, take a train, go to areas like Muradabat and do ISO consulting. Okay, and I used to get paid for it also, but I learned things also. Okay, I've done a lot of freelancing on Saturdays, Sundays, everything was equal for me. And in my team also, I tell them, sometimes when my team works on a Saturday, Sunday, I tell my team, work whenever you want to work and take a leave whenever you want to work. I can always set it up for you. If it is important for me to finish a project this week, I'll work on a Sunday, submit on Monday, Wednesday. I will tell my boss, all well, now can I go and leave? Can I knock it off with Sunday? And I say, okay, fine. Because मेरे को objective meet करना है और उसको छुट्टी भी चाहिए. We need to create that balance, right? But that can only happen when you are somebody, when you are taken seriously, and you'll only be taken seriously when you probably follow what I've been trying to tell you. If you guys have made notes, you guys will remember. But I saw Arpit sir making notes, so probably I'll discuss it with you again. ठीक है. So what I mean to say is, please understand these things. Do not give up in life. Okay, we all have help. We all are there together with each other. I'll tell you one thing. Being an HR guy and being an IR and an admin and all the stuff guy, once in Pune, 5 guys came to my hotel to threaten me. I told them, "ठीक है, देख ले भाई." I was not scared. I'm telling you guys, I was not scared. Once I went to meet up a guy at 10 o'clock in the night. It was a secret mission. Me and my lawyer, my corporate lawyer, we went to meet up a guy. So it was a Sunday night. So I flew down from Pune and landed at 8:30 from Delhi, 8:30. And then it was in Pune only because of IR issues. Then I meant to meet up this big shot so-called politician and Gunda, whatever he was, no names taken, in his house at 10:30. So, that day I was in a t-shirt and I was thinner and I had better muscles. Okay, I was in a t-shirt, jeans, and I have a pierced ear. So I was wearing my skirt also. And I went out, then I sat down. I said, "You think you're a big shot, no? Just because we are polished does not mean we cannot." So it's about you at the end of the day. You need to be able to face, why be scared? You're going to die. There is a saying which I believe in, guys. There are no absolutes in something so relative as life. I'll repeat again. There are no absolutes in something so relative as life. Arpit sir, मैं आपको message कर दूंगा. Analyze the explanation. There are no absolutes in something so relative as life. देखो, life is a relativity. For me, somebody is tall, then somebody is short. If everybody is of the same size, then you cannot call tall and short. Somebody is fat because somebody is thinner. Okay, somebody is dark because somebody is fair. So it's all, it's all into relativity. It's in comparison. It is never absolute. कुछ नहीं होता, right? Nobody can say that a dark girl is not beautiful and a white girl. You see what is happening these days. पहले तो fair हो. Who cares? It's my color, my skin, right? So it is all relative. People want to compare relativity, and people forget that absolute तो कुछ है नहीं. There's nothing which is like this. It has to happen. This is the only way life is going to be lived, right? You want to travel, like for example, I asked a few people, you are traveling to school by a cycle. You are in IIBM, you are staying outside, for example. You are traveling to IIBM by a bicycle, okay? And there's another person who is driving to school by a chauffeur-driven car, and it is a BMW, a high-end mast gari hai, theek hai? One day it is an examination day, or it is an important session. Both the students are very studious and very sincere people. Cycle guys, cycle tire punctures, and he didn't have the money to make the puncture, so he walks up to the college. Okay? The BMW guy, when he leaves for the college, then his father tells him that, "Son, my car is in the garage and I have a very important meeting, so I'm taking the car. So you take a cab or something." So the guy takes a bus and comes. Okay, normal air-conditioned bus, jo hota na government ka. He comes to the college. Whose pain is more? A lot of people tell me it is the BMW guy's pain is more. A lot of people tell me cycle guy's pain is more. I tell them the pain is equal. Why the pain is equal is because दोनों का condition of living is different. The way दोनों का hardship face का capability is different. A guy who's cycling down can walk and sweat because he's used to cycling and sweating and facing the sun. The guy in the air condition is used to air condition. So when he comes in the bus, he's not used to that push-up. He's used to the comfort. So pain दोनों का same है. So it is basically reference to context. In what context are we talking about? And that is why when we don't look at things in the context, then we misjudge things. Decisions are wrong. People are wrong. We cannot understand from any other's perspective. We need to understand things from people's perspective, right? Your parents will tell you, a lot of girls are there. Your parents will tell you, अब MBA हो गया, शादी कर लो. Let's say a lot of people are there from smaller towns, right? Like me. So there we know 25, 26 शादी कर लेना चाहिए, 24 शादी कर लेना चाहिए. But your parents will only, when you tell your parents that I want to make a career and talk big, my batchmates, they will not understand you because you're not understanding their context. They also have to answer to the society. But when they see you working well, earning well, having a position and respectability in the office, then they will give you chance. then then they have something to support you that yes, my daughter's doing well, and she will get married and she is getting independent, right? This is what it happens. It's always a context. Same parent, same conversation. It all depends on how well you're talking. If you're like that, if you're normal, you've just passed and you're just getting a job and chal raha hai zindagi, you don't have any ambition. Because ambition people can read by, not by, if you can talk, मैं बहुत ambitious हूँ, you don't become ambitious. Your actions will always tell people. So they can always make out, and parents know you better. So they will know that which category you're falling into, and based on that, they will support you or they will push you, right? So this is very important to understand things in reference to context. There's only one thing which is absolute in life, and that is death. You're born, so you're going to die. None of us, me, Arpit sir, you guys, were born because our parents decided to, have Mani Singh as a child. We are Indians. They were making love, were living together, and we happened. So even that was not absolute. But now since we are there, we are going to die. So the only thing that is absolute is death. So please understand, do not try to say that this is the only way of doing things. Learn the other ways. Understand things. That is where your cognitive ability will, fly to different directions. And then that is where you'll explore. Okay. So I hope I've been able to, try to, look at things in different perspectives. But the goal, if you combine everything what I said, okay, it is always about you. This 2 years, it is going to be about you, I believe. Okay. And I'll tell you one more thing. I'm not an agent of any college. Okay. When colleges ask me to lecture or go somewhere and interview, it is only my personal belief, okay, about the people who ask me. So my understanding of Arpit sir, okay, my understanding of kya hai, aapka Jai Singh sir, right? My understanding of that, my understanding of IBM, okay, is what will allow me to lecture, okay, or talk to people. So one thing I'm telling you here is that yes, you are in the right place, okay, but if you don't follow what I'm saying, even IIM could not have helped you. That I'm very sure. I know a lot of guys in IIM who are still doing far worse than what I'm doing. My batchmates, same year pass out, okay, far worse. I'm not saying just worse, far worse, okay. So sometimes after 4 or 5 years, it is not going to matter, okay, but what you do these 2 years will matter, okay. So you're in the right place. They will try and support you. We'll come if whenever you required us. Forget about placements, forget about jobs. You cannot hatch your chicken eggs before right now, right? First, you'll have to, take care of the chicken. You've just bought the small chicken. You have to feed it, let it grow, then it'll hatch the chicken for you. So please do that. Try to develop yourself, have questions, enjoy yourself. And the best part is enjoy it. कभी-कभी ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए ना, मतलब have an excitement in life, man. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए classes करना है, slump body language. Be upright, enjoy, interact, be smart, love yourself. Okay, love yourself, love the people around you. Okay, have that open-minded approach to people, question people. So ये सारे चीज करोगे, right? So how all this will happen when you're sincere, when you're honest, when you understand that what you're studying is important for you, when your priorities are very clear, what to prioritize, when to prioritize. So ये सारे चीज, when you weave it, it is you, and that's what you're going to be. You are going to come out. You're going to come out after 2 years, and I guarantee you that. So don't. I know IIM places people. Okay, they're running a college. They will place people, but they will not sustain your life after that. Okay, and I would say that anybody who's joined the college for just placement issues or what is going to happen after 2 years, please change your mindset, because that is going to happen. Believe yourself. Believe the people that you have been associated with. Believe the people who have got you here. Okay, we don't have a choice right now. We have a choice, but we don't have a choice because we can't keep making choices. Once you've made a choice, stick to yourself. So you have made a choice to study MBA for 2 years, made a choice to have a career in the corporate world. Now stick to it. Clear? I hope I'm clear. Sir, anything that I need to speak upon?
Sir,
Was it okay, sir?
I must say that the session you take covers it all.
सही था.
बिल्कुल. I mean, सर, मेरे पास शब्दों की भरपूर कमी है. बोलने में मैं असमर्थ हूं. आपने आज जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को बताया, जो बोला, जो पृष्ठभूमि से आप आते हैं और आपने इतने कम समय में जो अचीव किया है, वो हमारे सबके लिए उदाहरण है. Students from the past, students of my present batch, and also my upcoming batch, they now are aware that how this was so critical a session and why we were trying to create that aura around this session. Sir, as we conclude, I must say that fierce,
So, any
extreme.
question? So the
Sir.
two questions I have. One
Sir.
is the system says here that there were 110 people registered, but 50 are live, which means only 50 are attending it.
Sir, right now few people have left, it seems.
50 of them have left. No, people were leaving. It started off with 100, so it started off with 60 people, or 60 people only were there. So 110 people, rest was 60.
Sir.
After 60, come down to 50. So I want to understand whether it was sensible or whether, I don't know why. Second thing, any questions are there for anybody?
Sir, there are questions. If you allow me, I can take.
I can answer. Bataiye.
Sir, my first question to you is, sir, how to develop mental toughness, and if you can share with us how you did it for yourself.
See, mental toughness is something which is not a very difficult thing to develop. The problem with people is, and I'll tell you what, you just need to. The problem with people is, that they're looking for other people to support them, or they're relying on other people. Okay? One thing I understand in life is, once you decide you need to do something. So I always say people, I got to do, so I got to do it. Right? When you have that attitude, when you commit yourself to something, that you have to do it, and when you stick to it, okay, that is how you build a mental toughness. Once, twice. So let's say for example, somebody wants to, I'll give a very simple example. Let's say you want to work out. Let's say you want to work out and want to get a healthy, outlook. So what you need to do is, you decide that I will get up at 6 o'clock, okay, and start exercising, or at 6 o'clock in the evening, I will go to the gym. Okay, now what normally people do is, they allow other things to influence them. Okay, do not. When you commit yourself to something, and I've always believed that, see, a human being only talks from one side of his body, that's his mouth. Okay, it's connected very closely to the brain. So when you say something, just try to keep focus on that. So maybe 6 o'clock can become 7 o'clock initially. Okay, but it will eventually become 6 o'clock because you get used to it. And once you develop that attitude, and once you develop that, देखो, कभी-कभी क्या होता है, जब हमें किसी चीज में, when we get some success in something, when we achieve something, we like doing it more. When we achieve something, we like do it more. So right now, I would tell these guys to identify one thing that they want to do. Okay, one thing that they want to do for themselves. It can be their mental development. It can be reading habits. It's something that they want to develop, a habit, right? And tell them to fix a target. Now, people don't have a set goal, and that has to have time. Within 6 months, I should be able to read 50 books. For example, I read a book almost every day. Okay, so between 6 months, I need to read 50 books. They need to identify the book and start it. Trigger points hote hain. When we decide to do something, what happens is we just decide it. And then what happens? People become weak. We need to set the trigger. What I mean by setting the trigger is, let's say if I have to read 50 book, if I have to read 50 book, I will buy a few. I will order a few. Right? So set a trigger point, set a goal, and just set one goal right now and try and achieve it. Am I clear?
Absolutely.
Sir?
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल.
क्या होता है कि एक चीज पे आप निर्धारित करो ना, कभी-कभी we want to do many things. It becomes very difficult. One thing, set a target. I want to achieve this at this time, and just try to focus on it. Bring your mind back to it. Keep reminding yourself. कि नहीं, मुझे खत्म करना है. I need to do it. And don't ever link it with others. My team, me, anybody that that I've realized in life is, I'm not doing anything because I want to give it to others. अगर मुझे I have to finish this task or write this policy or play this game because I want to do it ना, मुझे भी तो enjoy करना है. वो policy बनेगा तो मेरा ही तो काम खत्म होगा. It's mine. मेरा responsibility है. तो जब हम वो responsibility लेते हैं ना, तो अपने आप को remind करते हैं कि मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ. I'll tell you one thing. In the office also, I tell people that मैं hire के लिए थोड़ी काम करता हूँ. I work for HR. I'm an HR guy. I want to do what is required in HR. This HR needs to be good. This is my subject. इसमें मुझे अच्छा करना है, and I want to do it. जब मैं देखता हूँ ये चीज बनना, I enjoy it. Right? I'm not here to prove anybody else. And when we try to prove people, then you get weak because you get different influences. Prove it yourself that you want to do it. So I think some sense is there. Okay. Further on, if anybody has questions more on this, what to read, what type of things I need to refer to, I'll let you know.
Sir, next question is, this is again, but before I ask this question, I would like you to throw the light on this particular point. It's a very personal question. It says, sir, being a head of HR of such a leading brand, how do you make people rely on you?
I'll tell you one thing very funny. Somebody asked me a few days ago. No, I was talking to one of my teammates. ठीक है? So हिंदी में बात हो रहा था. talking in हिंदी. So I told him ना गधे पिटेगा क्या मेरे से? ठीक है? So somebody around me said तू ऐसे कैसे बात कर लेता है अपनी टीम से? तो मैं तो छोड़ दे भी तो नहीं मेरे को. So what I mean by this is, see, people will only rely upon you when you're genuine. Sir, one thing that I hate, I've sacked people in my team, okay, within 5 seconds. And I'm giving you a negative example here. So let's say I'm talking to this guy. I just took his laptop. I called up the IT and I told him block his this thing. I told him resign on paper and move out. I'll pay you your salaries. You know why? Because of a lie. Never ever lie. It doesn't help you. The people that I'm working with, they're not my parents. Okay, who is going to judge me? You know, they are working with me and we're all going to work together for something. So you'll have to be very genuine. If you're genuine, not only your managers, your subordinates, your managers, your customers, your people around you, your friends, they will all like you. You know what? When you guys are there with your friends, okay, you all have friends. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, सबके पास दोस्त रहते हैं. Why are you guys friends? Why do you guys stick together? Because you guys are, there's nothing hidden between you guys. You guys are very genuine with each other, right? Agar if you guys act funny in front of a friend or try to, say something, they will tell you, "Chup kar yaar, mere samne aise natak mat kar, main tere ko janta hu." That's a dialogue that you guys must be listening. So what I meant by that in English was that, "Shut up, guys, I know you properly. So don't try to act like this. This is what is going to happen." So it is always about being genuine. Let's be genuine. We are not interacting with the whole country, whole world. We just have a few set of people. You're studying with them for these 2 years, then you'll be working with colleagues. So let's have that genuinity. If Arpit sir, if I have to listen to him, or if I have to say something, then I know it's genuine. If he tells me that no, like for example, I criticize. कि ये college में when we start talking the college ऐसे करते वैसे करते, then he was like, नहीं sir, what he said is not what somebody else didn't say me. Other colleges also people tell me. There are people like Arpit sir for other colleges who are talking to me, but you can see that he's genuine. जब वो बोल रहे, you can look in the eye and talk to you. Okay, your body language. So so I can always make out that you're lying or you're just trying to say it for the sake of saying it, because I look at you when I'm talking to you, right? So just be genuine. When you are genuine, even if you make a mistake, people will still rely on give you that second and third chance. I'm telling you, people can even give you 5 chances, not beyond that. Okay, but if you're genuine, people know that you're making that effort. You are not giving excuses. So just be yourself. What was I was talking about? And everybody will rely on you. Your parents, your friends, anybody. So anything else, sir?
Sir, I'll take this as a last question. Understanding your commitment and your meeting that you have already.
I have 11 minutes. 12:30. I'll wrap up.
Sir, my question to you is, sir, you have such a demanding and challenging job. How do you unwind?
Sir, I'll tell you what. I mean, you've seen me last time also when I was in college and I put out my stomach. Okay, but there are a couple of things how we need to see. The work is actually challenging. I get up in the morning. I travel for almost 1.5 hours. It takes me to reach my office. I stay in Gurgaon, my office in Delhi. I travel there. I leave office. I'm not talking about COVID times. I'm talking about pre-COVID times, normal times. And I normally come back home by 10 o'clock. Then I read, I have to do, and I sleep by 1 o'clock. But I'll tell you what. When I go for my work, when I go to the gym for 20 minutes, I forget things. Okay. When I read, so I have other things to do in life, which is helping me feel happy. So I love to read. Reading gives me a lot of knowledge. It helps me find solutions to a lot of things. So reading, okay, working out, going to the gym, because you need to sweat it out. You need to take out some physical this thing. If you're complacent and if you're lying down, let's say for example, you finish your work and you go to the home, right? And you have a cup of tea and then you're lying down on the bed, you watch some TV, you feel lethargic. Okay, and your troubles don't go up. But when you sweat, you have to shift your focus. So let's say after a hard day's work, you're working out. Okay, or you're reading a book, or you paint. I take 20 minutes to paint a A3 size. Okay, I just go. Okay, and there's some paintings around here. That one is also mine. Okay, so I get into these aspects because work is not the only thing that you're supposed to do in life, right? So I would suggest everybody there to pick up something different. Listen to music, have a proper conversation. And I think I've said it all. In entire process, I've said it all, right? You need to unwind yourself, relax. Okay, I travel. There was a time, okay, for 30 days non-stop I was working. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, every day. Okay, and then after that, like I said, I just pick up the vehicle and just move out to some place, some part of the country. Go there for 2 days, 3 days, come back, I'm recharged. Uttarakhand is my favorite because nearest to Delhi. 4 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours drive. And I've done I've worked for 15 days. Okay, Friday, I managed my house well, thankfully. Friday evening, I've gone. Saturday, I've just, I'll tell you what, I've just reached the resort, a small cottage on Saturday morning, okay, at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. No changing, nothing. Just got into the rooms, came outside on the landscape, and then just watching the mountain. The sun was rising. Went out to sleep at 9 o'clock, got up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, had breakfast, took out a book, lied down in the grass, okay, and just read. With nice, birds are chirping, good air. So, you need to find your own stuff. And everybody has. Everybody has. Listen to music, listen to softer things, meditate, do anything that you would want to do. Remember one thing, this is how you unwind. Okay? Even if you're partying, don't try to go overboard on anything. Problem with us is that we get into excesses of something. So, aap kabhi kya decide karoge, I need a break. And then you go to a party or something, and then it becomes a headache for you. अगला दिन लगे क्यों गया था वहां पे क्या हो गया, and you not like it because you're going overboard. So do things which is more calmer and relaxing types. So reading, music, traveling. Pune has places. Mahabaleshwar है उधर, आपका Link Road की तरफ है, कुछ लवासा है. So just take out a weekend, go in the morning, come back by evening, take the right permissions, arrange it nicely, enjoy yourselves. Okay, so learn to, and secondly, you can even unwind on the job. This is an important thing I want to say. When you're enjoying your stuff, when you're enjoying that Excel sheet, when you're enjoying the data, when you're enjoying that policy, when you're enjoying that conversation, you're actually unwinding yourself also. Because you're loving what you're doing. So enjoy that process. हम ना बहुत tensed up हो जाते हैं. एक advice है to people. Take your life seriously. Don't be serious in life. So what I mean by that is, whatever you need to do, take it seriously. मुझे ये करना है. But don't have a serious face and always, I'm very serious, I'm very serious. Then you'll be under stress. Just de-stress. Or sir?
Sir, I mean, I am short of words to, talk about this session. Thank you so much. As I conclude, I must say, fierce, honest, extremely high on energy, and to the point. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate that.
Sir.
And I would love a feedback if you can give me feedback. If any questions I've missed out. Maybe some guys would have, because I keep watching my attendees' details. Okay, so one thing I would say that maybe a few of them would definitely come back with the feedback that I was a bit too fast, because I'm trying to control that. But since I could not see faces, so it is difficult for me, to shift my mood. So that would be a flaw. But I would need a feedback. And anytime, any question, let me know. I'll be back.
Sir.
Right, sir? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your time, your wisdom. You have not only shared the reality, but also opened our eyes. Your experience will help us in making our young community the bright professionals of tomorrow. With this, thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, sir. We're logging out, sir. I'm logging out.